Hello guys, I am V. Sai Srinivas of 10th class from Mathman. So today I will be telling you a story. The Princess Spring. Once upon a time, the moon giant who was called Moon Arrow looked at the earth and saw a giantess of earth called as Blula. He was impressed by the beauty of Blula. He jumped down to the earth and confessed his love towards Blula. Later, they had got married. They had a daughter. She was named as Princess Spring by the hermit sage giant. She was the princess of spring. The flowers and grass bloomed and earth cherished when spring was on earth. She was very beautiful. She grew up and became the most beautiful woman. She rejected all the marriage proposals because she didn't want to leave her mother behind. She loved her mother more than anyone. One day, the giant of the sun called Solaris came to visit Earth and proposed to the princess. Princess Spring was mesmerized by the good looks of Solaris. In fact, she fell in love with him. She said Solaris, her love for her mother is great and she would hate to leave her alone. Solaris came up with a solution. He proposed to Princess that Spring will live with him for 9 months and the remaining 3 months she could live on earth with her mother. Spring accepted and took the offer. They got married and left to the sun. Moon Arrow left earth and returned to moon to rule his kingdom. Meanwhile, Blula was alone. And at that moment, the ice giantess called Crystal captivated Blula with ice. She was ruling the earth, and because of her, the earth was getting freezed. After a lot of discussion, arguments, the Solaris, Princess Spring, Moon Arrow, and Crystal came to a deal. Crystal will rule the earth for 3 months when Princess Spring is not there. Princess Spring and Solaris had a baby called Monsoon. Monsoon will spend 3 months on earth with his grandmother, and during that rains will come. And when Solaris comes to get spring, summer will come along with him. And when Princess Spring enters the earth, all the grass and flowers will bloom and earth will cherish. In this way, the seasons of the earth were made.